I'm cutting deco mesh for a holiday flower wreath that I'm going to be making. I will be cutting the deco mesh every 10 inches, and that's going to give me 36 cuts for my flower petals. I already evened off the edge by using my wood burner. I'm going to pull this out and measure down 10 inches. Then I'm going to take the tip of my wood burner. This is the point tip. This wood burner comes with 4 different tips, and this is the one that I like to use the most for cutting my deco mesh because it's pointed, and I feel like for me that it gives me a cleaner cut. So come out 10 inches. I'm going to take the point and put it in between the vertical strands. See how seamless this wood burner cuts this deco mesh. And that's it. That easy. And you can see, now this is not 100% guaranteed to keep it from fraying. How all of us wreath makers wish there was a 100% proof way to do that, but there isn't. I'm going to finish cutting all this deco mesh, but I wanted to do this quick video for anyone who is looking for a way to cut their deco mesh with less fray. I hope this video helps, and if you're interested in the wood burner, I have a link to my Amazon storefront in my profile, in my Linktree link. And I have the wood burner saved in my crafting ideal list that's on my Amazon storefront. So you can go check it out and purchase it there.